Hello YouTubers to a pack opening of Judgment of the Light. I am Archlord.Asmodeus and I have a bunch of other people here with me, like Mephisto. So I'm going to start opening packs. These ones, the ones on all the way to my right are weighing in at like 12.8 grams, which are a lot greater than the standard 12.6 grams that I've been getting. So these packs should have something good. I think Restart muted himself because I don't hear his feedback.
Yes, he did his mic. And I'm sorry for coughing in your intro.
Coughing? Whatever, it's all good. Okay, so first pack, I got Bujin Susanoo. No, I have Bujin Susanoo already. Dude, I am the good.
It's already...
Dude, I weighed my packs. The heavier cards are gonna make it so it weighs more. So the first few packs are always gonna be good. Herald of Pure Light, super rare. And a Bujinji Crane.
Okay, so 2 Bujin cards so far.
I probably have other Bujin cards, but they're commons. Well, 2 non-common Bujin cards so far.
I think the only common is Turtle and like the other crappy ones.
Yeah. Z, Chimera Clad, and Fire from Ocean Yoko. Who uses Yoko? Like, it just locks... No, it blows up stuff. It was used in a old 3-axis build. But 3-axis, like, no more. Okay, next pack. Star League Lord Galaxion. Suck. Nothing. It's not good. I don't like it. And more trap tricks.
Like it. It's ugly. Get it out of here.
2 level 4 photon monsters. That's difficult. Well, like, you have to run a photon deck for it, and photon decks are not the best. Confronting the Sea and number C140. Is this Umbral Horror Masquerade?
Alright. That's pretty not fun.
Pretty not. No. Does Yamato come in Ultimate Rare?
No.
Ah. Then I hope in the next few packs I can get something. Angel of Zera, secret rare. Awesome.
I'll send that to me.
No, no.
I need it.
You must trade.
I need it. I need it for my agent, man. I gotta do it for me.
Why you gotta do this too? All of these pulls have been decent. Ooh, okay, another Chimera Clad and a Rooster. Secret rare Rooster.
Well, that's like 40, 30.
Rooster's at 40, 30, really?
Let me look it up.
Probably not.
That's last time I looked at it.
I think it went down because Spirit got hit.
It's down to 20.
And 20 for a secret rare is still good. And I have a Bujin Yamato.
Oh my god, stop it.
Yeah.
Ultra rare.
Stop. Stop.
I have Princeton Blader, Scrap Dragon, and Blue Star Hole.
Virginia Motto's like 25.
Yeah. Another Bujin Turtle, Corrupts Keys, and a Cockadoodle-Doo.
Alright.
And then I will meet the packs that have lower weight and will probably be bad pulls.
I ordered a cockadoodle bootleg 3 days ago.
Nice job, Pro Pipe. Nice job.
For
Number 407 Masquerade and Talia, the Princess of Cherry Blossoms.
Send that to me. I'm collecting them.
I'm collecting too many, Pro Pipe. You choose one card and stick with it.
But Asmo.
But Asmo.
I'm not simply just collecting one card.
I'm collecting them.
Archfiend Harris and nothing. Okay, I think I'm hitting the bad packs now.
Well, Archfiend Harris
is a really good card.
I know, but the bad packs, which means to me is the packs that only have rares. Trap Tricks.
For an Archfiend Harris.
Shape Sister. Ultra rare Shape Sister. Yes. Will be used later in other decks after people realize it's a card.
What's it do?
It level 2 tuner. Torabus of the Forbidden Realms and Galaxy Serpent super rare.
Forbidden Bus to the Forbidden Bus to the...
Tour bus.
I don't know. No, it doesn't.
It's
Shut
no.
up. Yeah, let's go
Tour
get
bus
one
of
word.
Forbidden Realms is bad.
Galaxy Serpent's good in Erratic.
Yeah, Heretics. Galaxy Serpent. People want Galaxy Serpent, so. Gonna go in my trade binder.
Last word of the Crimson Blader or any other level 7 and 8.
Corrupted Keys and a super rare Mistbird Colossus. Or Clausolus?
Solus.
Yes.
Yeah, something like that.
How am I still getting super rares from these packs? I don't know. Seriously, these packs are weighing less. Like, these are going at 12.7 grams or higher. And another Mistbird Colossus and a Moon Dance Ritual. I'm getting these pulls are good. So very good. Nothing. Okay, I think I'm officially hitting the bad packs finally. This is taking a while. I should be getting ultimate rares though soon. There should be one ultimate rare. Trap Tricks, Air Attacks, and nothing. Or Atrax. Flying Sea. Tour Bus again of the Forbidden Realms, and a Trap Tricks Trap Nightmare Hole, or Hole Nightmare. Just do. Special Summon activates its effect. Trap Hole card, yes. Good stuff. Super rare. Black and White Wave. Archfiend Emperor, and a super rare Mecha Phantom Beast Conqueruda. That is misprinted a little bit, actually. Hold on.
Yeah, you can take the highway to the danger zone.
No, look. There's like blue leakage on the card. Here, let me...
Misprint? That means it costs more.
That means it may cost more or less. I can't get it to zoom or focus, but you can see there's like a little blue thing at the end. Okay, let's see. Bruges Incarnation and nothing.
What?
Bruges Incarnation and nothing.
Oh.
Fencing Fire Ferret, good card. Another Chimera Clad and nothing. Confronting the Sea and nothing. Number 102 and nothing. These cards are going everywhere. Okay.
Festival, did you see the link I posted?
I did not know.
Trap Tricks, Atrax.
What is that doing right now?
Opening Judgment of the Light booster packs.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am recording right now. Underworld Fighter Bellman.
I'll probably not talk then.
Dude,
Another Bruges Incarnation. And nothing. Where's my ultimate rare? Please, something good. I hit all the bad packs now. Moon Dragon Dance Ritual. Or Moon Dance Ritual. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Kirin.
Kieran's okay.
Trap Tricks, I can't even read upside down. Marmello? It's Mermello. Mermails. No, never. Make a Phantom Beast Wildberg, or whatever. However you pronounce that.
That is not good for me.
V Salamander. V Salamander is not good for you, Mephisto.
It wasn't good for Yuma either because Ray ended up being Vector and betraying him and stuff. But no one knows about that, because no one cares about that.
That is just not good. Is the card less than +1? No, it's 3.5.
Getting baddies.
You can have a KO and win this.
Mephisto, what'd I tell you about staying on topic?
I'm sorry, it's just if he says chaos, I lose. Oh, thank you, God.
More Archfiend Emperor. I have so many cards to sort after this. Another Archfiend Harris. Another Mecha Phantom Beast. I don't think... Where is the ultimate rare? Where is Sue? Another boar. And here, Bujinji Crane and an ultimate rare C39 Utopia Ray Victory.
Victory!
Only one ultimate. Victory. Archfiend Pala Labyrinth. Traptrix Atrax. Let's see. Another 102. Another Archfiend Emperor. Come on, second ultimate rare. Let's go. Bouge Incarnation. Okay, I got 4 more packs. Another Masquerade. Another Chimera Clad. 2 more packs. These are the lightest packs. Another Masquerade, and the final pack, please. Something good. Kieran and nothing good. That sucks. At least I got Yamato. Leon is gonna be so upset. Yep. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it.